Welcome to our informative video series on the Economics of Global Risk Master's Program. My name is Jenny and I'll be guiding you through some short videos. If you want to watch our videos without sound, don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Today we're going to talk about the academic calendar and your orientation week. Now that you're enrolled, you might be wondering, when does the semester actually start in Gießen? To find out, we can check the academic calendar or term dates of Justus Liebig University. You can find these dates via the link on the slide or just search for term dates JLU online. When you open the link, you'll see the following window as an example for the winter semester 24-25. The key date for starting your studies is the start of lectures, which is usually mid-October, specifically October 14th for the winter semester 24-25. Most courses begin in this first week of the semester. Looking at term dates, we can also see that lectures run from mid-October to mid-December. Then there is a Christmas break until mid-January. After the break, the semester continues until mid-February. It's important to note that even though the semester ends mid-February, that doesn't mean you're on vacation. Exams are usually scheduled during the first and the last 2 weeks of the semester break, and they are always held in person, so you must be in Gießen for your exams. If you plan to continue into the next summer semester, so your second semester, you need to rematriculate. This means notifying the university that you want to keep studying by paying the next semester's fee by the end of February. You can find more details on how to do this via the link on the slide. Back to your first semester that starts now in October. So before lectures start, there are introductory sessions during the so-called orientation week. For an international student, there is an orientation week via Zoom that runs for a full 5 days, starting 1 week before a lecture begins. This orientation is offered by the International Office of JLU and isn't about subject-specific information, but rather to ensure that you have a smooth start in Germany. The on-site orientation days for all master students will take place in Gießen on Thursday and Friday before a lecture starts. It begins with a welcome address to all master degree programs. Afterward, you'll be assigned to small groups with mentors who will provide a subject-specific introduction. For Economics of Global Risk students, there usually is an onboarding session with officials too, where your mentors will guide you to. Our team is really looking forward to finally meeting all of you in person there. Feel free to check our other videos on the Masters in Economics of Global Risk. Stay tuned!